Hi everyone, you are on How-FixIT. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the battery on your Google Pixel phone. The following set of tools are required to disassemble this Google Pixel phone. Screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, suction cup, plastic mediator, tweezers, adhesive sticker. And another useful tool is a magnetic project mat. During the repair process, don't worry about losing any screws and small parts. All of them will definitely remain on the magnetic mat. Throughout the disassembling of the Google Pixel, keep track of each screw so you can put them back in the right places. This will help successfully reassemble your smartphone. In the description, I left links where to buy all the necessary tools and parts. Let's start disassembling the Google Pixel phone. First, turn off your smartphone. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat up the surface of the back panel. Apply a suction cup to the back panel and press down. Pull up on the suction cup and insert the point of a plastic mediator into the gap. Slide the plastic mediator across the phone frame to slice the adhesive. But do not push the mediator into the case too much, so not as to damage the internal elements of the device. Disconnect the battery cable. Use only the plastic tool to pry up from its socket. The battery is held in place with adhesive strips. The best way to remove this adhesive strip is to cut the black pull tab where it is notched and pull each strip out individually. Using tweezers, pull on the adhesive strip at a shallow angle with steady force. Almost always, these adhesive strips are torn, and a part remains under the battery, holding it in place. Use plastic pry tools to pry up and loosen the battery. Now you can remove the battery. In the description, I left a link where to buy a new battery for the Google Pixel phone. Use double-sided adhesive tape to stick the battery to the phone housing. Before you install a back cover, let's check the phone. If everything works fine, go ahead to the final part of the assembly. Use isopropyl alcohol to clean off any remaining adhesive. Remove all adhesive residue from the back cover. Be careful using metal tools to scrape away adhesive. It can damage the back cover coating. Apply new adhesive tape to the back cover. If the back cover becomes unstuck from the phone frame, you can additionally glue the cover with B7000 glue. The repair is over. You are on How-FixIT, and see you next time.